Right, Leo. So we've got two chords and a couple of other little tricks as well. So we'll get into the chords first because that's the most important thing. As I said, chords are the building blocks of songs. Okay, so they are going from one chord to the next over and over. That's what I want you to do most of the time. Okay, so E minor, right? We said we'd do it just because we're only starting out. We'll do it kind of an easier way, right? So we'll get middle finger, second fret on the fourth string, the D string. So remember, right? Eddie 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie. E, A, D, G, B, E again. Okay? So there's the strings. So those are the notes that you get out of the strings when you don't hold them down, when you hit them without holding them, right? So that gives you an E note, A note, D, G, and so on. B, E. Okay. And then this is the first string. This is the sixth string. All right, so this is not the first string, okay? So we're going fourth string, so that's fourth string up on the second fret. Now, make sure that whenever you're holding down a string on a fret, right, make sure that it's right up to the fret, not on the fret, that's too high up, but right up to it, wherever you can, okay? And as well as that, make sure see the way it's standing up like that? So it's not like this, nothing like that, just up, straight down, like that, okay? Very tip of your fingers, and you really got to squeeze it, okay? And there's E minor, all right? So for now, we'll ignore these two strings. So if you want to try the full one, right, as well as your middle finger, get your first finger over second fret on the fifth string up. Then you can use all six strings. So that's E minor, right? But for now, this'll do. And then G, you get your third finger, your ring finger, first string, third fret. And again, the first four strings we'll use, okay? So let's say you go 1, 2, 3, and 4, G. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now remember, the only thing I want you to take away about strumming so far is that your hand has to be going down, up, down, up, down, up, the same way over and over. No stopping, no speeding up here, slowing down there. Has to move totally regularly, right? And it doesn't mean the strumming has to be boring, right? You could do something like get the movement going like that. And if you want to make it interesting, you just skip a few. You let the pleck pass over the strings without hitting them, right? Never stop moving. Don't speed up, don't slow down. You keep that movement. That's the most important thing about strumming, okay? Now, a couple of other little things we did. We did pull-offs. So a pull-off, you just drag the string, drag your finger off the string. Hit it, and drag it. Okay, you can do that anywhere. Okay, next one is the hammer-on, right? So that's what they do in Tribute at the start of, Tribute, Tenacious D. So that's open D string, open fourth string, and get your middle finger and smack it down on that string as hard and fast as you can. Then you do it with the next one. And then they hit the open A string, the fifth string. That's an A minor chord there, right? We won't get to that yet, but that's how the song starts. Okay, so we've got pull-offs, hammer-ons, slides. Okay, you can slide from anywhere to anywhere, okay? The trick to it is you've got to keep squeezing as you're going up. If you take the pressure off, that happens, right? The note just dies, right? So you have to keep squeezing and dragging at the same time, okay? Give it a try. And then the next one is the bend, right? See if you can do that, right? Now, don't worry about this. This is really tough on the acoustic guitar. We don't need to worry about bends just yet, but they're kind of fun, so try it. Okay, so keep that up. But the main thing, going E minor to G. Over and over. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just like that, okay? Keep it up. I'll see you next time.